What is used for in a sentence? I received the following sentence from someone which read, "Is there a reason I wouldn't want to go?" What is used for in this context? My guess is a textual representation of upward intonation for emphasis, but I cannot find anything on it. Note, I've seen many articles that say it's for a programming comment. I'm a programmer and am aware of that, but it doesn't seem to be used as a comment in this case.
In the sentence quoted, I would interpret the marks as an indication that the enclosed word would be printed in an alternative typeface, italic or bold, if the layout conformed to conventional orthography, where the sentence would be laid out. Is there some reason I wouldn't want to go? In other contexts, for example, a program listing, they might be indicative of a comment, although this might vary by the language, as different languages might use different punctuation protocols to denote a comment.
This is a common convention in text-only communication, such as Usenet, email or IRC. Without typography, some indications of emphasis are commonly used. Underscore, underline, underscore. Slash, italic, slash. Bold. Deleted, rare. Sorry, no authoritative reference, just personal experience. The use of slash to indicate italics goes back earlier, to typewritten documents. The other forms could be created by overtyping. Some of these conventions have influenced the markdown used here on Stack Exchange.
That can be a letter from an old person. Many old typewriter machines had no parenthesis characters, especially in foreign languages, where they use more letters than in the English alphabet, so the standard had to be modified. So people who learn typing on those machines use the character in place of parenthesis. Then it can mean many things still, like an alternate thought, an internal note, or anything a parenthesis can be used for.
This is almost certainly org mode syntax for italics. As the guide states, you can make words bold, slash italic slash, underscore underlined underscore, equals code equals and tilde verbatim tilde, and, if you must, plus strike through plus. People tend to use the markup language they are familiar with. Presumably the user who posted the comment uses org mode and the Emacs text editor regularly. For an incomplete comparison of various lightweight markup language syntax, see this table on Wikipedia. You'll notice that a few languages use slashes to represent italics, although most that do use slash double slashes slash. Org mode seems to be the only one that uses single slashes slash. Regarding the reasoning behind using forward slashes, the Creole creators explain. A slash looks like slanted italics, so it is intuitive and thus easier to remember. It would seem that at least a few lightweight markup language creators agree with that reasoning.
I'm not sure why nobody else has mentioned this yet, but in that slash instance you mentioned, the forward slashes are used to denote emphasis upon a specific word in writing. Is there anywhere I wouldn't want to go? Can also be written as is there anywhere I wouldn't want to go? However, some people are more accustomed to using slashes for emphasis since it may be quicker for them, or maybe because they might be typing on something that doesn't support italics, but either way it still effectively puts emphasis on the word since it makes it physically stand out from the rest of the sentence.